Hi there, I'm Agi from Redmenta. Math teachers, do you find that some students struggle with abstract mathematical concepts? In this video, I will show you how Redmenta can help make math more relatable and engaging for your students. Our story generator assistant creates narratives that explain mathematical concepts, making them easier to understand and remember. To use it, go to the AI Assistant Hub, choose Teaching Tools, and select Story Generator Assistant. Here's how to set it up. Choose Mathematics as your subject. Select the grade level and the language. Input your math concept, like congruence and similarity. Add personalization details if you want, such as character names. Choose a story style, for example, humorous. Click Start, and the AI will create a story, including an engaging narrative that introduces the concept, characters and situations that bring the concept to life, clear explanations woven into the story. You can review the generated story and make changes if needed. Adjust the length, complexity, or the focus to suit your lesson. When you are satisfied, simply copy the final story and paste it where you would like. You can then use it in class or for independent study. This assistant is great because it explains math concepts through stories, personalizes content to increase student engagement, offers various story styles, allows for customization of generated stories, makes complex mathematical ideas more accessible. To get the most out of it, use stories to introduce new math topics. Encourage students to create their own math stories. Incorporate stories into problem-solving activities. Use the stories for cross-curricular teaching. I think you will find this assistant makes math more interesting and relatable for your students. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you.